Dimpal Shah and welcome to Chili Recipes, and today we are making Manchow soup. For preparing the Manchow soup, ingredients needed are as follows: chopped carrot, chopped cabbage, chopped French beans, chopped garlic, green chili paste, ginger paste, spring onion for garnishing, salt, white vinegar, fried noodles, corn flour slurry, red chili sauce, soya sauce, green chili sauce, Ajinomoto, oil. Now let's start with the recipe. Take one pan and add some oil to it. Heat the oil, then add green chili paste, chopped carrot, chopped cabbage, and chopped French beans. To it. Now mix it properly. Cook these vegetables for 3 to 5 minutes. As it is cooked, now transfer it in one bowl. Now take some other oil, then add garlic paste, ginger paste, red chili sauce, green chili sauce, and some water. Now mix it properly. Then add soya sauce, now give this water a nice mix. Now add this cooked veggies. And corn flour slurry. Put the gas on the high flame. Now add salt to taste. Vinegar, some Ajinomoto. We are adding some more soya sauce. Our Manchow soup is ready to serve. As it is done, We are switch off the gas. Our Manchow soup is ready to serve. Now we are transferring it in the bowl. We are garnishing it with the spring onions and fried noodles. Our Manchow soup is ready to serve and people prefer it more in the winter season. So enjoy this soup. Thank you.